Do you want a stronger singing voice? Many singers try to sing stronger by just singing louder and pushing harder, and that just creates a lot of tension. In reality, vocal strength comes from a few very specific coordinations in the voice. I'm going to show you 4 short exercises and give you a bonus tip to help build this kind of strength. Victoria's vocal tips. I've been teaching singers, including voice teachers, for 36 years. Let's build your vocal strength the healthy way. Let's start with the foundation of vocal strength. If your vocal folds are not closing efficiently, your tone will be weak, breathy, and unstable. So our exercise 1 will be on vocal fold closure. You know how I like to keep exercises easy in the beginning. We're going to do a simple 5-tone scale on ba. The B consonant gives you a little boost, and it encourages the vocal folds to come together cleanly, like this. Ba, 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 ba. You want a tone that is clear and focused, not pushed, not tight or breathy. So we don't want ba, ba, ba or ba, ba, ba. Some of you might like to use the consonant G as an alternative, like this. Ga, 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 ga. Personally, I like B. I'm at G4. Lower voices can be at G3. Ba. Here we go. Ba, 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 ba. Breathe. Breathe. Keep going. Last one. Great. Once your vocal folds close properly, you cannot miss the next step, where we put the work on the big muscles that can take it and free up our tiny vocal muscles. And the only way we can do that is with breath support. Without breath support, singers often compensate by pushing the voice, and that makes a voice weaker over time. So for exercise 2, let's get some anchor in the body. Let's start with either a lip trill, a tongue trill, or a V. And when I say V, remember I always mean the V consonant, not V. Let's try all 3 and put your hands around the midsection, and I want you to feel engagement, strength without being tight. Lip trill, tongue trill, V. What do you feel? I feel strength. I feel spongy firm, not locked, and not loose and flabby. We're supporting your tone with the big muscles, mainly the abdominal muscles. And remember, the abdominal wall goes all the way around, front, sides, and back. And we keep the chest comfortably high and wide when we sing, so no collapsing. Now we're ready to apply this to our 5-tone scale. Remember, lip trill, tongue trill, or V, like this. Your choice. Go. Breathe. Strong and engaged. Anchored but not locked. Last one. Strength through coordination while your throat stays free and your tone stays balanced. Now we've worked on vocal fold closure and breath support, but please, we're not done because we have 2 more exercises. The next exercise will be for resonance, which is what naturally amplifies and enriches the voice. When resonance is working well, your tone automatically becomes richer and clearer without any more vocal effort. We're going to do exercise 3 in 2 steps, and my favorite way to start is with the yummy hum. Hands around the midsection, please, and I just want you to say, like you ate something so delicious you can't believe it. What do you feel? You feel that same kind of engagement? Let's do it again and think about what you feel in the front of your face. Do you feel that vibration and ping? That's what we need to get that cut, to get the voice to carry. Part B for resonance is I want you to open up into a nice tall vowel like ya, ya, with the very beginning of a yawn, like you're just getting ready to yawn. Ya! What does this do? It opens up the back of the throat. Remember, please, the throat is the largest resonator. Let's try it. Ya! Ya! What does this do? It helps your voice to resonate efficiently through your vocal tract. This will help your voice sound fuller and richer without pushing. So, 5-tone scale on yum. Like this. Yum, 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 yum. Here we go. Yum, 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 yum. Breathe. Yummy. Stay engaged. Anchor in the body. So you see how we're building strength and coordination the healthy way with exercises. And I haven't put the focus on singing louder because your voice will carry when the coordination is right. Now, this is exactly the kind of structured training that we do in my audio exercise training program, Victoria's vocal exercise program. And if you still haven't gotten it yet, I seriously don't know what you're waiting for. The program is huge. It took me over 2 years to develop. I give you a short and a long workout and literally hundreds of options for whatever your vocal needs are. I have entire sections on how to sing with more power, how to sing with better breath support, focused vowels, how to smooth out a vocal break, in other words, your passaggio. And you want to learn how to sing in different styles, different vocal colors? I give it all to you. And the best part is it's super affordable, and I do regular group classes with members, and I want to meet you. So see the link below and sign up right away. Exercise 4. Now we're ready to put the first 3 exercises together. So we're putting together vocal fold closure, breath support, and resonance. And we're going to do it on Byam, B-Y-A-M. I made that up and I love it. It goes like this. Byam, 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 byam. Lower voices can be byam, 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 byam. Don't forget, putting it all together. Sing. Byam, 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 byam. Breathe. Energy. Resonance. Strong in the body. Let's do 2 more. Last one. Bonus tip to make these exercises work better. Remember, don't put your focus on singing louder, singing bigger. Let that come as your strength develops. Instead, focus on clarity, balance, intensity, so that your voice can carry at any volume, whether you're singing softly or loudly. A strong singing voice develops when the 3 things are working together: efficient vocal fold closure, good breath support, and resonance. See my playlist on how to sing with more power. And this is the video that YouTube chose specifically for you to watch next. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.